Alright guys, welcome to another video. And I'm here with some friends giving them a little tour around Jamaica. We're going to do Dunn's River today. And we stop in the little hidden cove that you guys know I like to come to. And we're on the cliff's edge watching the water. Check out that blue. Oh man. How's it so far guys?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful, right? Yeah. Doesn't get better than this. Alright, so I showed them the cove. We saw the water. We're heading back on the road to Ochi. Enough light trespassing for one day. Guys, so we're here in Dunn's River. We're walking in. There seems to be a lot of people from the cruise ships today. That's fine. We'll still have a very, very good time. Really excited. What are you guys' names again?
Cat.
Cat and
Alexa.
And Alexa. We're going to have a good time today. Yeah. So we did Dunn's River. What you guys thought?
It was awesome.
Awesome, right? Kat is like a professional waterfall guy. She did in some spots, she did even better than me. So I'm glad you guys had fun. So dark, you can't see me. On our way to Old Spanish Bridge, it is so dark because the cover and the canopy for the trees, and it's a tad overcast. But we're heading up there to take in Spanish Bridge. You guys know I love there, so I can't wait.
Oh
Yeah, he knows exactly what he's doing. Right, so we're here at Spanish Bridge. They're taking in the sights. Kat says it's too cold. But we're going to test the water out. It's raining, so we left Spanish Bridge because you know the roads up there, you want to make sure you get out before the roads get too bad. We're stopped at the Center in Ochi and we're going to get something to eat.
Maybe.
The circles on the bottom, so when you go swimming still once you see this, you don't have to see anymore, you have seen the clouds, see that?
Luminous Lagoon. Really nice. Alright guys, here we are again today, taking Alexa and Kat again on another tour. They're going to do the Brea River. Then they're going to do horseback riding. But last night we did the Luminous Lagoon. Glistening. How was that?
It was so cool.
So cool, right? I got somewhat video, but it's so dark. Hope that it came out somewhat good for you. The property is really nice. Has a lot of nature and trees. A nice big almond tree here. And there's the river. Seen the rafts right there already. Alright, we're now heading down to the river. Alexia and Kat, I hope you guys have a ball going down. Have a ball. See the guys here, they're building out the rafts. They say it lasts about 6 months. And they're always building. I did it a few times some years ago, before the pandemic. Yeah. Alright, so I got some nice video of them building the raft. Now I have to go and wait for those guys down the road. Alright, so at the bottom of the river, as you can see, they have all the crane and stuff to take out the rafts. And I'm just waiting for them to come down. While I'm waiting, seeing one of the raft guides cutting out a calabash and then told me that this is actual calabash tree. Look, the calabash is very close to the roots of the plant. Isn't that amazing? You can see some calabash there. There's a big one on the ground here. And I tried to show you one a little closer up before. We have that in Trinidad. It's a fruit and when it dries it has a hard shell on the outside and they use it for craft and that kind. It's so cool to see the actual tree and the fruit on the tree. Ocean Point, Sandy Bay, Chukka. And the property, I haven't been here in years and years, but they've really developed the Ocean Point property here. It's really, really nice. Ready to go? So, that's them going for their horse ride, the first half. And some other guys, that's not my team, but that's some other guys doing the horseback riding. So I know where to come, so I can get a good shot of them. Alright, so we've left Ocean Point and we're here at Patchies Fish Fry on the water. Getting more and more famous because there is no parking, there is even a bus. So, something to eat. No fake ingredients, everything natural. Of course you guys know I must take them to see the Tryall water wheel. Alright Alright guys, so we're just about wrapping it up. I'm dropping them back at the hotel. So guys, how about Jamaica? How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Fun.
So
Excellent.
much fun.
Good. So I hope you guys can come back again, right? And bring more people. There's so much to see in Jamaica. Anyway, I hope you guys had a fun time.
We don't want to leave.
Yeah, they don't want to. But their flight is tomorrow, so they have to go home and rest and pack up and that kind of. Here we go. We go to the hotel, rest and pack up and that kind of. Anyway, guys, thanks for following us along with the trip. As always, remember to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye.